Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today I have quite an interesting project for you guys. I have a race car, or what's soon to be a race car, for Eve of Destruction at Humberstone Speedway. Last event ever there before it gets turned into a rock quarry. And, well, this 2004 Toyota Echo is going to get potentially destroyed as well at the eve of destruction, but we have a lot of prep work to do on that car before I go and race it, and fingers crossed that it goes well. This is my first time ever racing a car, so this should be pretty interesting. A lot of work to do. Crunch time. Picked up the car last night, so we only have 2 nights to get it ready for the races, so let's get right into it. Yeah, 2:55 a.m. Yeah, this is a doozy. Taking way longer than I expected to get ready for Eve of Destruction. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't even have my mic in right now. But literally cramming weeks, maybe even months of preparation on a car into 2 nights. I'm a little out of breath right now, but I'm just kind of racing around trying to get ready. I think I've got everything done, and kudos to everybody who's helped me. I'll give a shout out to everybody later on. My cat's bugging me right now. It's pretty late, so she knows. But yeah, different type of vlog, because I'm kind of documenting everything as much as possible, but a lot of late nights, so kind of hard for me to be filming and doing work at the same time. So night before the race, 3 in the morning. So yeah. Well, guys, I know this vlog is going to be maybe short and sweet. Basically, I'm struggling to put this car together right now. And well, considering my 2004 Toyota Echo is completely stripped, ready to race now, it has taken us 2 full nights to get this thing together. So we picked it up on Wednesday, brought it home. Thursday, we officially started stripping the car. Friday night, we did even more. And my dad and I were up until about 3 o'clock in the morning, something like that. I will include some random clips in this video to show you guys how tired I was. And there wasn't necessarily a lot of documentation of what we were doing. And this was mainly to do with the lack of light. Working, really late Thursday night and Friday night, up until, 11, midnight. And of course, later on Friday night, it made it really difficult for me to be hands-on working on the car with everybody and also filming everything. So I did a lot of, walk arounds, took photos or whatever I could. And for any of you guys who are wondering, if there's something that I missed, or if you guys want to know what the checklist was, some of the requirements, feel free to leave a comment down below for me and I will elaborate a little bit. We were using Humberstone's rules initially, and then they switched over to Merrittville's rules. So the rules didn't really change a whole lot. However, I definitely checked off all the boxes and did everything exactly how they asked, removing airbags and, making sure that the doors didn't open, having at least 2 points of contact where they were shut. So the hood had to have 2 latches on it, quick detach latches, by the way. Basically, for emergencies, they have to have quick and easy access. You also have to cut a hole in the hood as well. And yeah, it's done. Almost a miracle, if you will. Not entirely sure how we prepped a car in 2 nights. I know a lot of people are like, oh, that's super easy to do. Well, considering this was my first time doing this, I was a little bit concerned that we were actually going to get it done. However, we did. So great job to everybody. Kyle, Andrew, my dad, even myself, I'm pretty proud of myself being able to, get lucky enough to have an affordable car in the race and actually do all the work on it. It was definitely something where it was an eye-opening experience. Really showed you how much grit and determination you really need to make something like this happen, especially on such short notice. So definitely an amazing experience. And the only thing left to do now is race the car. So hopefully things go well tomorrow. It is super late. Yeah, but you know what? Totally worth it. I've ran on less hours of sleep. So honestly, I'm not too concerned about sleep right now. I think once I'm there, once I'm in the car, once I'm suited up, all that adrenaline just rushing to my brain, coursing through my veins, it'll compensate for the lack of sleep. So that's it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. Comments, questions, leave them down below for me. And yeah, the next video will be the race day video. And I will probably do a bunch more related videos as well. Kind of milk this one a little bit so that you guys get a true behind the enthusiast look at what it is like to, well, cobble together a race team last minute about 3 days before the actual race and see how it goes. So I will do some more videos down the road for you guys and maybe even talk about doing it again. You never know.
So, last thing, of course, pretty sure you guys should subscribe so you guys don't miss out on the release of that race day video, so be sure to do that. And last but not least, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.